everyone and welcome to ERA Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you one of the grammar part. Before that, I hope that everyone might have or everyone have subscribed my channel. So please inform your friends also, your relatives also, those who are concerned with these classes. Class 5th to class 10, Maharashtra State Board English subject, all videos will be available on this channel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see some grammar topic, that is I have started this series that parts of speech. In that today part 7 is going to I am going to explain here, and that is conjunctions. Okay, so let us see in detail about the conjunctions. Conjunctions. In grammar, a conjunction is a part of speech that connects word. Okay, sometimes we need to say two sentences at a time, and two sentences are having some relation with each other. At that time we are connecting the words, and sometimes sentences, sometimes words. So that is called, those words are known as conjunctions in grammar. Words, phrases or clauses that are called conjuncts of the conjunctions. This definition may overlap with that of other parts of speech. So, what constitutes is a conjunction must be defined for each language. So, it is different according to the situation. The conjunction is a part of a speech which joins words, phrases or clauses together. Example of conjunctions are mainly used, and, yet, but, for, nor, or, and so. Let us see some sample sentences of the conjunctions. This cup of tea is delicious and very soothing. Kavita has to start all over again because she didn't follow the professor's instructions. Sumit always wants to join the play, but he didn't have the guts to audition. Okay, so these are some simple samples of conjunctions. Now, let us get some more information about conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases, and words together for constructing sentences. Conjunctions make a link between, among words or groups of words to other parts of the sentences and show a relationship between or among them. Example: Alex and Robin are playing together. Now here, if I will say Alex is playing, Robin is playing, Alex is playing with Robin, Robin is playing with Alex. So instead of making so many sentences, in one sentence I can say Alex and Robin are playing together. So and is a conjunction. It is connecting Alex and Robin. Alex plays well, but Robin plays better than him. But here, but is the conjunctions. I play cricket and Robin plays football. When he was sick, I went to see him. Okay, so here when is conjunction. Now let us see the types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Let us take first type. The job of coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases or independent clauses which are parallel in structure. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are by far the most common conjunctions. Example: and, but, for, nor, or, so, yet. Let us see sentences of this. We went to stadium and enjoyed the cricket match. Do you want an ice cream or chocolate? Go away and never come back. So these are the coordinating conjunctions which are making coordination between some words, some sentences. Okay, now let us take second type, a correlative conjunctions. A correlative conjunctions uses a set of words in the parallel sentence structure to show a contrast or to compare the equal part of a sentence. Means here equal part of the sentence is compared. The words of the correlative conjunctions have a special connection between them. The correlative conjunctions are not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and, not but, whether or. So they are used in pair. So correlative conjunctions are used in pair. Let us see example. Neither Alex nor Robin can play baseball. I want both ice cream and. Okay. He ate not only the ice cream but also the chocolate. So here ice cream and chocolate. Okay. So correlative are always used in pair. So it is easy to remember. Let us see third type and the last type of the conjunction, a subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction joins element of an unparalleled sentence structure. These elements are usually a dependent clause and an independent clause. Most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are after, how, then, when, although, if, that, where, as, in order that, though, which, as much as, in as much as, unless, while, because, provided, until, who or whom, before, since, what, whoever or whomever. Example: before we left home, I had my breakfast. Okay, so here subordinating conjunction shows. So here main clause is also there, independent clause, subordinate clause is also there, and we are connecting these two sentence with subordinate conjunction, that is before. Provided they come, we can start class Tuesday. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. Even though the weather was horrible, they still went outside. Okay, so these are the some examples of the subordinate conjunction. So today we learn the seventh part of the parts of speech, that is conjunctions. We learn three types of conjunctions, and also we learn that which example of different conjunctions with different example sentences also. I hope that everybody might have understood this part of speech conjunctions. If you have any doubt, please write down in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.